Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blaster, Digital Wax Break, or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the Star Wars Masterworks 2021 Hobby Box. You get like three, little mini boxes in there, and there's 2 guaranteed autographs per master box. So excited to get to that quick announcement. As you know, with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs are going into this flawless briefcase. If you want a chance at that, you just got to leave a comment below. And our 2 autographs we're throwing in there today are an Iden Versio autograph and a Pete Rose autograph. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. If you want a chance at them, all you got to do is just leave a comment below. That's our first drawing. Our second drawing is for our monthly drawing. Our monthly drawing right here is for this 10. It is stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And we are doing our monthly giveaway right now. So let's see who's going to be the monthly winner. Let's see what our monthly winner is going to get. Our monthly winner is going to get some atomic refractors from the GPK Chrome 3 series. Pretty cool. We got some cool garbage chute droids. We got a sticker there. Some garbage chute droid parallel cards in there. It's pretty sweet. And a whole bunch of green food fight parallels. There we go. And a bunch of black food fight parallels going in there. That's 1 stack. And looks like we've got an authentic worn wardrobe from Aiden Turner from the Mortal Instruments City of Bones. It's pretty cool. Number to 199, Undertaker vs. Triple H. Film cell relic. That's pretty slick. And, ooh, a lovely number to 50, Sasha Banks. Wowzers. You know, she's in the Mandalorian series. And we've got a Han Solo Masterworks card, a blue parallel Baze Malbus, excuse me, and a numbered Imperial AT-AT pilot, number 299. Got a numbered Kylo Ren card to 299. Ooh, a number Bo-Katan Kryze card, that's numbered to 99. It's just getting lower and lower there. And a numbered The Child's Connection, numbered to 25. Got a little Grogu, numbered to 25 card there. And a Grand Moff Tarkin Star Wars Galaxy, numbered to 25. That's 25 of 25 card. Yowzers. And our autographs are going to be from the Valiant Leap series. We've got an authentic signature of Tyler Godell. We got a Francilis Montaz on-card autograph. And we got a Lucas Nix autograph. And we got a Denario Alexander autograph. And a Valen Hess autograph going to the monthly winner. Congratulations to our monthly winner, who is Adam Bomb 21. Holy cow, Adam Bomb 21. You are our monthly winner. Thank you so much for all your comments and support. Really appreciate it. Our monthly winner is Adam Bomb 21. Holy cow, you are getting a sweet monthly 10. It is coming out to you, buddy. I think you may have won a monthly 10 before, but keep up the comments. I mean, it's anybody's game. So let's get to this sweet break. I'm excited. Oh boy, here we go. Let's open up from this side. But we did the 2020 breaks, and yowzers, those were a lot of fun. Got some pretty slick parallels from that. If you've ever got a chance to see some of our starting videos back in 2020, started out with doing some Masterworks, Game of Thrones stuff. It's pretty cool. All right, here we go, here we go. Well, it's 4 boxes, not 3. Oh, nice. That's right. All right. There's our 4 boxes. Holy moly, holy moly. Just stick that right there on the side. Alrighty. This one seems kind of heavy. We'll do the heavy one first. Alright. Box number 1. Gives you this silver pack. Exciting, exciting. A thick card. We'll do the thick card last. Yeah, those are some super thick cards. Holy cow. Alrighty. All right, we got an R2-D2, an Ayla Sakura, a Tauntaun. All right, I dig the Tauntaun. I like Tauntauns. Very nice. And a Star Wars The Phantom Menace 50th Lucasfilm card. It's a parallel there. Pretty cool. Darth Maul card. And our really thick card is numbered to 99 C3PO and R2-D2 medallion, commemorative medallion. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Dig it. Let's get you in a sleeve, buddy. All right. Let's see what we get out of box number 2. That was the lightest. This one's about in the middle. Getting 2 autographs. 2 autographs. I don't know what our autographs are going to be. I love Masterwork's beautiful, beautiful cards. I'm always able to get 1 box. These things went fast. So huge shout out to Jason at Baseball Card Clubhouse for hooking me up with a box, saving me a box. Really appreciate it, buddy. Check him out. He's in Tampa, Florida. All right, we got Ezra Bridger. Ooh, Bo-Katan Kryze. Very nice. Check out the Mandalorian series if you haven't. And we've got Star Wars Masterworks, like speeder bikes, and you got an Ewok. That is a Wicket Warwick authentic postage stamp. Pretty nifty. Be careful not to choke on your aspirations. A Star Wars quote. And Grief Karga, numbered to 99. Looks like it's got some damage on there. That stinks. We'll have to send that back in. Or is that just raised? It's kind of hard to tell. Anyway. Grief Karga. All right, next 2 boxes, we're getting autographs. Alrighty, alrighty. Let's see what our 2 autographs are gonna be. Saving the best for last, right? If you guys haven't seen that 101 Superfractor hit from the Mandalorian series, check that out. It's a pretty slick video. I think I got that at the end of this video you can check out. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Got a Kylo Ren. Oh, we've got a Snow Trooper. Looks like a canvas card. Looks like it's half the card. Looks like it connects to something else. Next card's the signature. Ooh, we got a Boba Fett. Very nice Boba Fett card. And we've got a Han Solo. It's a parallel. It's just a little character. Han Solo. Pretty cool. And our autograph is Imperial Freighter Pilot. We got an Imperial Freighter Pilot autograph who just put an O on there or something. So, okay. Alexander Wraith. And this is numbered to 25. Number 1 of 25, Snow Trooper. Snow Trooper. That's pretty cool. It's got his Snow Trooper and his toy icon. But that's a canvas card numbered to 25. So that is super cool. Snow Trooper canvas card. And our autograph of a Imperial Freighter Pilot. I don't remember seeing him anywhere. So, best for last. Here it is. This box right here. It's about to be epic. Hold on to your britches, folks. Here we go. Here we go. All right. This is it. This is the pack. This is the pack you guys been waiting for. Come on, let's get something good. Box number 4. I want to see something big. Something big. Dryden Voss from the Han Solo series. Aurora Singh, which we saw for like 3 whole seconds in episode 1. And we've got a Jaina, number to 50. Number to 50 Jaina card. And a Lando Calrissian card. That's pretty cool. There's his toy, his action figure. And our last autograph is Aurora Singh. Very nice autograph. There she is. Aurora Singh autograph. I cannot even pronounce her name. Michonne Baruja? I'm butchering that, sorry. Aurora Singh autograph. Freighter Pilot and Aurora Singh. I do like her autograph. I like how she signs both her stage name and her acting name and her actual name on there. That's pretty cool. At least it's not a Freighter Pilot signature. But boom! Here we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Congratulations again to Adam Bomb 21. You are our monthly winner. Thanks for watching, everybody. More Hobby Box Breaks coming up.